Oh, Paige, rubbing your eyes. You getting tired? Should be. It's past everybody's bedtime here. So when she's on the hardwood, she does more of this. Let's see what she does here. That's kind of sideways crawl. On the carpet, she crawls like a maniac, straight normal. But this is the slippy hardwood crawl.
It's a great day.
It's a great day today. Oh, Paige, what are you putting in your mouth? Mommy? What's in her mouth?
You got something in your mouth.
You were lovely.
What you got in there?
You are exactly what the guest needs to see in the activities department.
I didn't put that in.
Don't like them?
You didn't put that there?
I didn't put that there.
A piece of wood.
Cash, you bring that there.
Now what's she doing?
Get my look.
What?
Aidan, we're doing a movie. We're doing a movie here, and you just walk by with your butt crack showing.
What? Like that? Means my shirt was like that?
Oh, you had your hands down your pants.
What? I know. But now I am.
Yeah, kind of like that. I might not be able to put that on YouTube. That might be pornographic.